Johnny Depp is hopeful he'll have a career resurgence, but Amber Heard's latest move is likely to slow that process. And Depp is not happy, at least going by what his close associates say. The 59-year-old actor won his defamation case against his ex-wife, with the jury finding that she defamed him in her 2018 op-ed about domestic abuse. He was awarded $10.35 million in damages. The jurors also awarded Amber $2 million in damages in her countersuit, finding that via his then-lawyer Adam Waltman, Depp defamed her in a statement from 2020. Through her lawyers, the Aquaman star now wants the verdict overturned, and Depp is far from happy. So how is he planning to counter this move? Let's find out. Amber Heard is seeking to appeal or throw out the June verdict in the high-profile defamation lawsuit between her and ex-husband Johnny Depp. In a lengthy filing in Virginia court on Friday, July 1st, the Drive Angry actress's legal team argued the ruling had a number of issues, including poor legal reasoning, an improperly vetted jury, and excessively awarded damages. Last month, a 7-person civil jury ruled largely in favor of Depp in a split verdict, finding that Amber had defamed him in a 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post, in which she implied he had abused her but did not name him. The decision ordered the 36-year-old actress to pay the Pirates of the Caribbean star $15 million in punitive and compensatory damages. During the hearing, a sullen and slow-talking Depp flatly denied ever hitting a woman in court testimony, telling the jury he sued his ex-wife to clear his name after she accused him of domestic abuse. But that dream may have to be deferred. "My goal is the truth," he said. "One day you're Cinderella, then in 0.6 seconds you're Quasimodo. I didn't deserve that, and neither did my children. Never did I myself reach the point of striking Ms. Heard in any way, nor have I ever struck any woman in my life," he explained. But in the latest saga, Amber's attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, said the case rests on flawed legal logic, arguing Depp's claims proceeded solely on a defamation by implication theory, abandoning any claims that Amber's statements were actually false. Elaine also argued that Depp's legal team said it would focus on the period after the op-ed came out, but instead widened to encompass events and statements from back in 2016. The motion calls for a new trial, a new verdict, or a dismissal of Depp's complaint altogether. In it, Amber also claims there were problems with the jury's credibility. The filing points to Juror 15 as proof, arguing that there appears to be a 25-year discrepancy between their birthday on court records and in publicly available information, raising questions about the thoroughness of the vetting process. This news is not so good for Depp, who is hoping to pick up after an unforgettable 6-year run marked by legal duels. Depp, who's been touring overseas with Jeff Beck at concerts in the UK, wants to restore his film career and recently visited France to finalize his post-trial job. His career has been his everything over the years. He loves music, but acting is his life, said a close source. He couldn't sit around and do nothing about the fact that his career was being affected. He thinks the verdict was fair. It feels like a win to him. He very much hopes that he can revive his career, the source added. An additional source recently told a media house that Depp is focused on himself right now. He is absolutely looking ahead and past this. He's looking for positivity and to move away from negativity. The source added that the actor is happy and relieved after the verdict. Overturning the verdict will definitely hurt his plans and also stall his progress. He's figuring out what he does next. He feels like he's been vindicated, the source said. He feels a significant weight off his shoulders. It's been 6 years of this. It's been so gratifying to hear from men and women. He's heard a lot of positive support from both men and women. Depp was not present when the verdict was read in court. He said in a statement afterwards that the best is yet to come for him after the verdict, something Amber Heard is working so hard to thwart. 6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the lives of those closest to me, and also the lives of the people who for many, many years have supported and believed in me were forever changed, all in the blink of an eye, he said. False, very serious, and criminal allegations were levied at me via the media, which triggered an endless barrage of hateful content. Although no charges were ever brought against me, it had already traveled around the world twice within a nanosecond, and it had a seismic impact on my life and my career. And 6 years later, the jury gave me my life back. I am truly humbled, he continued. My decision to pursue this case, knowing very well the height of the legal hurdles that I would be facing and the inevitable worldwide spectacle into my life, was only made after considerable thought. From the very beginning, the goal of bringing this case was to reveal the truth, regardless of the outcome. Speaking the truth was something that I owed to my children and to all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me. I feel at peace knowing I finally accomplished that. Depp's dream will likely take longer if Amber appeals or convinces the court to overturn the verdict. What do you think will happen? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more of such amazing videos, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.